Hey Magnolia friends, today we're going to practice our cutting. Remember, when you use your scissors, you want to have your thumb at the top. Open, shut, open, shut. Keep your thumb at the top even when you're going to turn. Hold your paper with this hand. Start at the edge. Open, shut, open, shut. Open, shut. I have a turn, so I'm gonna turn the paper. I don't need to turn my cutting hand. My thumb is still at the top. Open, shut. Open, shut. Keep turning the paper with your other hand. Keep your thumb at the top so you can see where you're cutting. That's a safe way to cut. Keep your thumb at the top. I've got to turn my paper again. It's tricky, I know you can do it. Keep your thumb at the top so you can see where you're cutting. I made a bird. We're going to do a song with two bluebirds. I'm going to use a clothespin to hold my birds. You could hold your birds in your hand, or you could put another piece of paper on the end and make a little finger puppet like that. I'm going to use a clothespin. Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. You could do any names with your bluebirds. You could make a whole family of bluebirds with all the names in your family and make some new rhymes. Have fun!